Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by checking prerequisites: battery above 20%, a reliable USB cable, and the Android version, because developer options appear differently across releases. Next, unlock the screen and open settings you need to access About Phone. Tap build number 7 times. This reveals developer options. Why? It prevents accidental toggles and keeps advanced features hidden. Once done, you'll see a toast or message saying, "You are now a developer." Make sure to go back to settings to continue. You now enable developer options and locate USB debugging. In Settings, go to System or search for Developer. Turn the developer options toggle on. Scroll to the debugging section and tap USB debugging. A confirmation warning explains that USB debugging allows data and commands from a connected computer. That's why you should only trust known machines. Tap OK to enable it. Once enabled, you'll see a persistent option. Make sure to keep developer options visible while you connect the device by USB for the next step. You finish by authorizing a computer and verifying the connection. Plug the USB cable into your machine. Watch the phone for an RSA key fingerprint prompt. Accept it only for trusted computers. On the computer, run a DB devices. If the device shows as device, you're ready. If it shows unauthorized or nothing, revoke USB debugging authorizations on the phone and reconnect. One key troubleshooting tip: switch the USB mode to file transfer. Try a different cable or reinstall platform drivers on the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.